There are several ways to animate a still image in Premiere Pro. First, let's import the image into our timeline. Simply drag and drop it into your sequence, or bring it in from the Project panel. Next, move the playhead to the beginning of the image and go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Position, click the stopwatch icon to create your first keyframe. Now move the playhead to the end of the clip and adjust the position of the image. This will automatically generate a second keyframe and create a simple movement animation. It's basic but effective. Let's take it a step further with a more dynamic effect like a spiral zoom on a planet. As before, set the image duration to around 7 seconds and position the playhead at the start of the clip. This time, click the stopwatch icons for both scale and rotation to create your starting keyframes. Then move the playhead to the end of the timeline and increase the scale from 100 to 120 and the rotation from 0 to 3. Premiere Pro will automatically add the end keyframes, giving your image a smooth spiral zoom animation. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with what you'd like me to cover next. Thanks for watching.